Guess what, guys? Got another package. You might ask where it's from. Look at that orange label. It's from Temu. You guys. I got the bag open. Got a bunch of goodies in here. And our first item is a tube. Let's get it open. A little bit. Easy apply marble peel and stick wallpaper. It is waterproof, self-adhesive for the kitchen countertops. I will be using it in my bathroom. You can see the print. It is 40 centimeters by 200 centimeters long. I will get it put on in the next few days and I will have a video here. The next item we have is, they are called all over print elastic waist shorts. Very elegant tie. It's a bow here. It comes untied. And you just tie them the way you want. Very long. Very nice for spring, summer, and fall. I got them in a size large. They are 100% polyester. Let's tilt you down some. And they would tie on the side like this and hang down. I will try them on and put a picture up. The next item we have from Temu is, I don't even remember what I got this time. Nice black. Okay, so it goes like this. Let's see if I can turn this light on. It might be a little bit better. I think I got this in a size large. It looks a bit big. Contrast lace tie back hollow jumpsuit. Very elegant V-neck. Short sleeves. Great for summer, spring, and a bit of fall. Very great material. It's not too heavy. It's not see-through up in the goodies. It does have a see-through waist. The back has a zipper. So you zip it up here. The unzips real nice. Actually, it's having a bit of trouble trying to get it zipped up here. And then it also has the tie in the back, so you can tighten it. This is the back. It's got a nice flow down in the legs. It is 100% polyester, and I will have a picture here of the try-on. Next item we have is white. It is a nice blouse. It has floral around the neck, cold shoulder, and a little bit tighter area for the arms. So it would be off the shoulder. Very tight material, non-stretchy. I got it in a size medium. I don't know which way the front or the back would be. They both look the same. It is 100% polyester. And I will have a try on here. Let's get to the next item. Next thing I got was, of course, another clothing item. It is a crisscross romper jumpsuit. Ties in the back. They're very, very long. I'm actually stepping on them, as you can see. Seems a little long. You would basically tie them in the back, and it would look like this. It does have a waistband, and if I turn it around, material is very thin, but is not see-through. And it has a zipper in the back for easy in and out. It doesn't seem to want, there we go. It's not super good quality zipper, but it does hide, does what it's supposed to. This is the back, right here. It's a little bit of a stretch. It's 100% polyester. So the next item we have floral print. They have a nice blue floral print. Very stretchy waistband. Floral print sheared waist shorts. So they flow like a skirt, and they are shorts. The tie is just there for looks. Ribbed up at the top and the nice flow at the bottom. But they have this nice floral print that I just loved. I have this in a size large. Elegant layered ruffle hem. Nice for summer and spring. It is 100% polyester, and I think this is going to be one of my favorites. I will try it on and have a picture here. Up next is also another white clothing item. Very fluffy. I think this is very nice quality. It is a cross tie front crop hoodie for casual. It has the casual waffle solid color. It is long sleeved. I got this in size medium. It has the cross ties up here in the mid waist. It is cropped, and they do cinch in. Nice hood. Does not have a tag. Oh, it does have a tag in the bottom. It is made of 95% polyester and 5% elastane. This might be another one of my favorites. Of course, it would be better for fall, maybe early spring, and a little bit of winter. But I love long sleeve shirts. I will have a picture posted above with the try-on. And I think this might, oh, two more left. Last clothing. We have a floral print romper jumpsuit. So it would be like this. vacation style cutout sleeveless romper jumpsuit. I purchased it in the size large. It has a tie in the back. Nice lightweight, not see-through. Very thick material here. A little bit thinner down when you go to the bottom. It has a little bit of the stretch in. It has a little bit of a stretch in the bottom piece itself, but the top does not stretch. It is 100% polyester. It has the nice daisy prints on it. I've seen a lot of people with that on lately. It does have adjustable straps, so you can fit it to yourself. And here it is. And I will have a try on in the corner here. Our last but not least is this. I believe it was a free item that I had got for my purchase. It is discontinued at the moment, but I will leave a picture so you will all know what it is, what it's made of, and whatever I can get the information from it. Silvery heart beaded bracelet, inlaid shiny, I'm not even sure what they are. Really nice piece. This is the clasp here for easy on and off. That was it. There's no more in the bag. Thank everybody for watching. If you like the content, please like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what your favorite piece was. And I will see you in the next one. This is Panda, signing off.